Hi everyone, my name is Sandhya and I am an artist by education and profession. But above all, I am an artist by heart. So, a very warm welcome to my channel. In my last episode, I talked about some warm up exercises of art which you can practice every day for 5 to 10 minutes before you actually start your drawing or painting. These exercises will help you to improve and enhance your drawing skills and you will be able to draw better. So there are some 7 elements of art which makes a perfect drawing. I will talk about all of them one by one in my coming episodes. But in today's episode, I'm going to talk about line. Line is the first element, so let us know more about lines in details, their meaning, and how to use them to your advantage as an artist. So, friends, what is line in art? It is one of the most crucial and important element of art, as everything begins with just a simple dot in space that transforms into a line and then into a drawing. So lines are everywhere. There are five main types of lines in art, and as you can see, while I'm drawing with only with pen and using only lines to make this artwork, and with so many different types of line, you can see that you can create a beautiful painting without adding to so much other details. So simple line drawing also is very beneficial. If you learn it properly, you can use that line art into for designing, for patterns, and for illustrations, and this is and some beautiful artwork also can be done with only with simple plain lines. So let us know more about how to use them and what is their meaning, what is their expression, and you will. I'm really sure that you're going to enjoy this episode of Elements of Art. So there are five types of lines, and very first is a horizontal line. And horizontal line is also called a sleeping line. As you can see, I'm showing here a person is sleeping, so it is also called a sleeping line. So because we always lie down in straight and parallel to the horizon, and these lines are parallel to the horizon. So and they suggest width and distance of any object. Like I have shown here a box, So if you want to show the width or distance or length of any object, you have to show it through a horizontal line, and its expression is calmness and stability. Calmness and stability and relaxation. The second line is a vertical line which goes from up to down or down to up, and they are extended towards the sky, and they are perpendicular to the horizon. As you can see, they are perpendicular to the horizon at a 90-degree angle, and they suggest height and strength. So if you want to show the height of any object, you have to show it through a vertical line, and they suggest strength also. So here I am drawing a tree which shows strength. So anything which you have to show height or strength, you have to show it through vertical lines. Then there are diagonal lines. They are straight lines that slant in any direction except horizontal or vertical at an angle. As you can see, they are neither horizontal or vertical. They are slanting. So we show most of the time we show mountains in diagonal lines. So as you can see here, and they suggest movement and growth. So wherever you want to show the growth, you have to show it through these lines. And then there are zigzag lines. They convey action and excitement. So wherever you want to convey the message of action, or you want to suggest anxiety or restlessness, you can show it through zigzag lines. Like I have shown this lightning, so they are zigzag lines. So there's a lot of action is happening here. Then we have curved lines. That these are the fifth number. They can be simply wavy or a spiral. So they are very smooth lines but wavy, and they show movement again, but in more graceful way and not in aggression. So these are the 5 types of lines, and rest of the lines which we use, they are just extension of these lines, like a part of these lines. So they are not main, but they are just a part. So these can be dotted, dashed, or broken lines, or a variation of zigzag lines, up and down, where you can use straight or diagonal, or a combination of all these lines. Loop lines are also there. So these are all lines which you can use in your designs or patterns, or even in your illustrations, and they are going to be very helpful to make a beautiful picture or design or a pattern. So next I will show you with some examples how you can use lines in illustrations. So here is a seascape I am showing, and there is horizon and sun is there, and there are some birds in the sky, and as you can see, the sea is at peace. It's not there's not a lot of movements happening in the sea. It's calm, and I've shown it through straight lines, but they are broken and not connected, because we have to show the motion also, but not too much of motion is happening, not too much of movement is happening. And as you can see that these lines, there are some gap. The gap is less towards the horizon, and as it is coming near the shore, the gap is increasing to show the depth in the drawing. So there I am showing one boat also. So boat is is sailing very on a calm surface. So this is to show the movement of the straight lines. And here I have shown some zigzag lines to show the ocean or sea at some movement is happening. It's choppy and it's not at peace, it's not calm. And as you can see that I have shown the waves in zigzag lines, and again the same, the distance is less towards the horizon. The gap between the waves is less, and as they are coming near to the shore, or the gap is increasing to show the depth in the drawing. And there again the sun is there, and some clouds I'm making here. As you can see, clouds are there because maybe there are some waves or the wind is blowing, so that's why. And the boat is also a bit on a choppy surface, so it's tilted a bit. And then I will show you another picture. I want to show you how to make the more waves, like these lines. These are curved lines, and I want to express that sea is not calm at all, and it is very very restless. Through high waves you can show the difference between a calm and a choppy sea surface. As you might have seen that when there is a lot of wind, then the waves, they start coming higher, and then sea is not at peace, and through big waves, you can show that it's restless and a lot of anxiety is happening. So all these drawings, we can use different lines to show different moods and different expression through these lines. So here I've just used some zigzags, some waves, wavy lines, curved lines and straight lines to express different moods of sea. And you can also use them for your designs, for your patterns, for your drawings. And happy learning. We will meet again in the next episode, where I will show you more about lines. I will talk more about different lines which you can use for doodling. So doodles have become quite, a lot of people are using doodles to express themselves, and they're the simple drawings which anybody can learn easily. You just need some patience with your drawings, and you have to practice. Of course, you have to practice a lot to get that flow, and you will be able to draw different doodles. You just need to observe the everyday things closely. Just keep on observing and keep on drawing, and you will improve on your drawings. And in my next lesson I will talk about the other elements of art, and that's all about today, and happy learning. That's all for today, friends. Thanks for watching my video. We will meet again in my next episode, and we will learn more new things. Until then, bye bye. Be creative and be happy, and don't miss to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.